Hello class, welcome back to our second session. And for our second session, we are going to study Math 3. So everyone, please prepare your Math 3B book, your notebook, pencil, and also your eraser. Okay class, so before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let's review our previous lesson. Last week, we talked about Unit 15, pear. Pear is a kind of fruit. Usually it's color yellow, green, and sometimes have color red, right? So we are going to talk about, or we are going to review Unit 15, pear and subtraction. Okay? So this is, we studied already. Let's review one more time. There are some pairs in the box. 20 more pairs are added in the box. Now, there are 25 pairs. Now, there are some pairs in the box. 20 more pairs are added to the box. Now, there are 25 pairs. How many pairs are in the box before more pairs are added? So let's do the equation. So before, we don't know how much or how many pairs inside the box. There are some pairs in the box. But when you added 20 more pairs in the box, the total is 25. So when you take out the 25 pairs that you added, how many? Let's do the equation. So 25, bring down in here. Like what I said earlier, you count those pairs 25. If you take out again the 20 pairs, this is 20 pairs, right, that you added. How many? The pairs before you added. So 20 minus 25 minus 20 is equals to 5. So before, we have 5 pairs in the box. So we have 5 pairs. So our answer in here is there are 5 pairs in the box before added more pairs. So that is our review unit 15. Now let's proceed to our new unit for today, everyone. Unit 16, jumping. So we are going to talk about jumping. Still the same, subtraction. Okay class, now let's proceed to our new lesson for today. Unit 16, jumping, subtraction. So open your book on page 16. So take out your Math 3B book and open your book on page 16. So this is our new lesson for today. So let's read the problem solving first and let's find the equation and finish the answer. Okay class, Unit 16, jumping. Linda wants to make 25 jumps over the jump rope. She only has 10 jumps. How many more jumps does she need to make? Okay, so let's read one more time. Linda wants to make 25 jumps over the jump rope. You see the one that she's holding and then you jump, that one is called jumping rope or jump rope. She only has 10 jumps. So she jumps 10 only. How many more jumps does she need to make? She wants to make 25, right? But she finished only 10 jumps. So let's find the remaining jumps. How many jumps she needs to make? How many more jumps she needs to make? So let's find the equation. So the equation in here, let's bring down the 25. And she only jumps 10 jumps. 10. So how many is the total one, everyone? Correct, 15. So she needs to make 15 jumps. So she needs 15 more jumps to make. How many, everyone? So she needs to jump 15 more times. Okay, so don't forget to finish your unit 16. Don't forget to finish your equation and also your answer. Okay, everyone? Now let's proceed to our practice for today. Our practice for today is to find the equation and also the answer. Now here's our problem solving. Teacher said, let's do 20 jumps over the trampoline. But one student does 5 jumps only. How many more jumps does the student need to do? So these are the students that the teachers wanted to do jumps. So one student, you see that girl that likes so quiet, right? So this girl jumps only 5 times. How many more jumps that these students needs to do? Okay, so let's find the equation. So let's bring down number 25. So let's bring down number 20 and minus the 5 because she do only 5 jumps. So 20 minus 5 is equals to 15. Very good. So 15 more jumps. So the answer in here, the student needs 15 more jumps to do. So this student that you see in here, she needs to jump 15 more. So that is our practice for today. So it's time to say goodbye, everyone. But before that, don't forget to finish your homework and your classwork, of course, as teachers remind you every day. And it's almost weekend, everyone. So don't forget to take care of yourself and see you again on Monday, everyone. Goodbye.